Hello, thank you for your support, and you are welcome to subscribe to our channel. My job is to read this book to my audiences. That is all I am here to do. This channel has full authorization of reading this entire book. Today, I will be reading the book titled The Non-Techie's Guide to ChatGPT: How to Use AI for Everyday Tasks. Written by Andy Peterson. Chapter 3: How to Use This Book Without Losing Your Mind. Okay, so you've decided to take the plunge and learn how to use ChatGPT. Congratulations! You're about to enter the wacky, wonderful world of AI conversations. But before you dive in headfirst, there are a few things you should know about how to use this book. First off, we're not going to be your typical boring, dry-as-dust guide to technology. No siree, we're going to be funny, irreverent, and occasionally a little bit weird. So if you're the kind of person who likes their instruction manuals to be dry and technical, this might not be the book for you. Secondly, we're assuming that you're a non-techie, otherwise, why would you be reading this book? That means we're going to be breaking things down into easy-to-understand terms, without getting too bogged down in technical jargon. If you're already an AI expert, you might find some of this stuff a bit simplistic. But hey, you can always use this book to brush up on your dad joke skills. Thirdly, we want to make sure you have fun while you're learning. After all, isn't that what life and ChatGPT is all about? So if you're feeling frustrated or confused, take a break and come back to it later. And don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from a human friend or a robot one. Okay, now that we've got all that out of the way, let's talk about how to use this book. We've broken it down into easy-to-follow chapters, each of which covers a specific aspect of using ChatGPT. You can read the whole book cover to cover, or you can jump around to the sections that interest you the most. Throughout the book, we'll be giving you tips, tricks, and pro-level advice on how to get the most out of ChatGPT. We'll be showing you how to personalize your profile, how to communicate effectively with ChatGPT, and how to avoid the pitfalls of using AI technology. And of course, we'll be injecting plenty of humor and fun along the way. Because let's face it, if you're not having fun, what's the point? So sit back, relax, and let's chat about ChatGPT. We promise it won't hurt much. Thank you for listening. Chapter 3 of the book, The Non-Techie's Guide to ChatGPT: How to Use AI for Everyday Tasks. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next chapter.